Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English instructor and welcome to my English coaching class. Currently we are at unit number 13, Smart Nutrition Choices. Let's begin lecture number 2. The competency that we are targeting through this lecture is vocabulary and grammar, and the topic is denotative and connotative meaning. Let's learn about it. But before jumping onto the topic, let's have a look at the SLO first. Find out the meaning of words. Dictionary meaning, that is denotative, and contextual meaning, that is the connotative meaning. So, according to the SLO, we are going to understand and learn about two different meanings of a word. The denotative meaning, which is also called the literal meaning, and the connotative meaning, which is also called the contextual meaning of a word. Here we have provided the vertical linkage. Let's do a quick brainstorming session first. Can you identify the meaning of the word bat in the given sentence? My father gave me a bat to play. So, can you please identify the meaning of the word bat in this sentence? Keep the context in mind and then answer. That's right. First, learn what is a dictionary. A dictionary is a book or online tool that gives the meanings, spellings, and pronunciations of words. Just like this. Now, let's learn what is meant by denotative meaning. Denotative meaning is the exact definition meaning of a word that you can find in a dictionary. Denotative meaning is objective and accepted by everyone as the standard definition of the word. So, denotative meaning क्या है? Denotative meaning है literal meaning, the actual meaning, जो कि डिक्शनरी में मिलता है किसी भी लफ्ज का, और ये यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेबल होता है हम सबके लिए. Let's have a look at the examples. The first one is balanced. इसका denotative meaning है equal proportions of different elements. और दूसरा लफ्ज है self care. इसका denotative meaning है taking care of your physical and mental health by engaging in activities and adopting habits that promote good health. So, these are the meanings that are being found in the dictionary. Now, let's learn about the connotative meaning. Connotative meaning. इसकी examples हैं referring to a diet that includes a variety of nutrients in appropriate quantities, suggesting harmony and good health. और यहाँ पे self care का मतलब है highlighting the importance of person's responsibility in maintaining personal health or happiness, suggesting an active and complete approach. So, connotative meaning ऐसा मीनिंग होता है जो हम एसोसिएट करते हैं किसी भी लफ्ज के साथ. वो हम कैसे एसोसिएट करते हैं? उस सेंटेंस या उस लफ्ज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट को देखते हुए. जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो लफ्ज यूज किया जाता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसके साथ उसका मीनिंग एसोसिएट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से द वर्ड नीडल, व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड? नीडल एक स्टील ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक शार्प छोटा सा स्टील ऑब्जेक्ट है. दिस वुड बी द लिटरल मीनिंग और द डेनोटेटिव मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड नीडल. लेकिन अगर हम एसोसिएटिव मीनिंग या कॉनोटेटिव मीनिंग या फिर कंटेक्चुअल मीनिंग की बात करें तो जब हम लफ्ज नीडल सुनते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में आता है अ पेनफुल ऑब्जेक्ट, एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट गिव्स अस पेन. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग इज द कॉनोटेटिव मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड नीडल. Here is your classroom activity. Give denotative and connotative meanings of the following words and then use them each in a sentence. Smart, snake, cool, cheap. After this classroom activity, here is your homework. Use the affixes below by making more words. Less, anti, mid, toast, able. So, you will use these affixes to make more words, such as these words have been created by using these affixes. Here we have provided the simulation for you, and apart from this simulation, the worksheet is also being attached, and all the resources for this particular lecture have also been provided. Thank you very much.